Ever toured a house and thought, smells like potential and maybe a little mildew? Before you run, that fixer-upper might actually be your hidden gem. Nikki Beauchamp, Senior Global Real Estate Advisor at Sotheby's International Realty, shares 4 signs you've found a home that's more diamond in the rough than money pit. Point 1. The neighborhood has good energy. Beauchamp says, beyond the obvious residential elements, research what's going on with the surrounding commercial spaces, or lack thereof. If you see a mix of long-standing shops and new cafes popping up, that's not just trendy, that's a sign of healthy, balanced growth. Translation: you might want to buy before everyone else figures it out. Point 2. Future growth is on the map. Beauchamp suggests looking at what infrastructure changes are in progress or coming and how that could add value to the property you're considering purchasing. So, check those city planning meetings or future transit maps. New parks, schools, or light rail lines can all signal future value. Pro tip: buy before the buzz turns into bidding wars. Point 3. The home fits your life. As Beauchamp puts it, it's important to think through both your immediate and long-term goals with any potential purchase. Dream kitchens are great, but not if you spend every night stuck in traffic trying to get there. Choose the home that makes sense for the life you're living and the one you're building toward. Point 4. You can see past the wallpaper. Beauchamp says the most common mistake people make that causes them to miss hidden gems is not maintaining an open mind. Don't chase perfection. Translation: if a home's got solid bones, good roof, layout, foundation, but needs a little TLC, you could snag a bargain while everyone else is waiting for perfection. The perfect home doesn't always sparkle on day one, but with Nikki Beauchamp's advice, you'll spot the real gems before the rest of the market catches on and polish them into your dream home. Got a money question? Head to GoBankingRates.com and ask away for a chance to win $500. Plus, your question could be answered by a top financial expert.